It's Tom from Magna Plates. I'm here at Travis Autos and I'm finally getting my front ends moved on my car. How do I turn it round? I can't do it. Well, I can. So we're going to get this off. If I have to do this in another take, I'm going to... What do I say about the front end? So the plan is... So the plan is, we're going to... I've just kept it recording because eventually it'll just something be alright.
Hey, I don't get what the big deal is. He's recording. Right, Tom can't do it, so I'm going to take over. Today, we've got his car in, and we're going to take his reg plate off. In fact, we'll just rip it off. Yeah, and then it's got some holes in the bumper, so we're going to smooth them out, get it painted, get his kit fitted, make it look smooth. Very good, very nice. Right, so we've got his bumper off, it's all stripped down, and we're just going to give it Mr. Trim, the Andrew of the ward, to pull it all apart, and then we'll get it, we'll show you the process of smoothing out the plastic. Right, Andy's got the bumper off, it's all stripped down. This is a good one for us because it's only got two little tiny holes in it. Yeah, I'll show you. That one and that one. Right, so these little holes, very easy to deal with, yeah. We're going to sand the top of them off. We're going to sand the top of them off, take away any paint so it doesn't contaminate the plastic weld. Well, they're not actually getting plastic welded because they're that small, we can just warm the plastic up and sort of squeeze it together. So let's crack on and get it done. Was it like for stone chips?
It's got loads of little
ladders in them.
Yeah, right.
Done it. I drive an Eco Pro everywhere. So the car's in for smoothing bits. We've got Dan just round the corner from Kilo Wipers.
Making a little impression of the wiper hole for the 140i, so everyone can get off me back then once it's made.
He's not yet done the kit for the M140i.
So, he's calling me kill some wipers at the moment. With the 1 Series, it's got a bit of a random notch, so we're just taking an impression of it, then we're going to go and CAD it up and put a sample, aren't we? So yeah, might get some paint on it tonight. It's a bit of a mess. All the returns, people not collecting their orders. Oh my god, this is, what time is it now? 11 at night. Let's get it cut, man, let's do it, let's do this. Sweet that.
What time are we on?
We're on.
25 past 11.
25 past 11 now. Let's go and see if Trevor will get his paint on. Get me keys. That
No,
looks
on a
sick.
serious note, where's your key?
I don't know.
So,
You got it?
should never give me keys. Never.
Mate, that'll be sick, that painting, I'm telling you now. That'll be
course it
absolutely
will.
bang on, mate.
Sit down it.
To be fair, I preferred the rubber knobhead you had in it.
Need a couple. Yeah, man, I can't play guitar, man. Just.
So that's the bumper smoothed. We're going to fit the Magnum Plate full plate kit to this front bumper because I'm actually going to run a full size UK number plate. I've had a coffee today, so I'm actually alright. This is the Magnum Plate kit we're going to be running. This is the full size UK plate kit. First things first, we're going to fit our full plate kit to my full size UK license plate. Go be in the middle, otherwise it'll well annoy me. Tape's well strong, mate, once it's on its on. Job's a fish, it's on, it's done. So I'll just make sure that your plate is properly secured to the double-sided adhesive. Right, so we put the plate on the front and now we're going to fit the adhesive magnets to the rear one by one. Now you don't want to remove the adhesive yet because you can actually move the plate into position so it's perfectly centre in the bumper. I'm happy that the plate's in the middle of the bumper, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the adhesive protective film off the back of the magnets that are on the rear. We're going to apply the fail-safe stickers over the magnets.
that flick out. Beautiful, beautiful. Anyway, Tom's done his Magna plate. Well, sort of. Tom's done that, but nobody's bothered. What you're really bothered about is a Nissan Note, yeah? A Nissan Note. Look at the finish on that. Fresh off the gun, very good.
So it's done. Look how cool that is. No more screw holes. They definitely had to go. Now, as you've probably picked up, this is all new to me, so please don't judge. And this is the first time I've actually made a video for YouTube, but I thought it would be really important to talk you guys through the actual process of fitting a kit to your car. I wanted a smooth front end, so obviously I bought it to the guys at Travis Autos in St Helens, who've smoothed the front end, done some bits of plastic work, rather than filling it full of filler, because I didn't want to create too much of an air gap, because that would affect how the actual magnets performed. Now I suppose all that's left to do is give this thing a wash. So that's the kit installed. I just want to say thanks to the lads at Travis Autos who's smoothed and sprayed this bumper for me. I think we can all agree it looks a million times better. This was definitely a must. This was a big problem I had. I'm going to cut some cinematics and show you the advantages of having a plateless car. I'm done. It's cold. It's time to go home. I hope you've enjoyed this spontaneous little YouTube video. I'll catch you soon.